guys, we got this great clip from one of our long content videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Enjoy. We love investing in value add properties that we turn into small guest house hotels. So that's a property that was sitting vacant for a while, and we turn it into a 7 to 25 room guest house. And we use Act 60 to do that. We get 40% tax credits. So that's why we feel like that's a really safe investment. These investments that we've done on the island, where you take basically a building that's been sitting vacant and doing nothing for 5, 10, 15 years, and then you turn it into a guest house, you already are increasing the value massively. You're buying it really, really well with some equity. Then you're putting your money in to fix it up, increasing your equity. And then when you start renting it out and getting the cash flow, your equity goes up again. So we get this sort of triple bite at the apple. And on top of that, the government of Puerto Rico will reward us for that type of investment by giving us up to a 40% tax credit. So that's sort of what we've identified as our favorite way to invest right now. I'm also investing pretty heavily recently in some multi-use projects. So we'll have a big commercial building, and we'll leave half of it as commercial. So a restaurant or a club or a convenience store or something like that. And then above it, on the top 2 or 3 floors, we'll build apartments and then just rent them out long term. So we like both of those. And
we got another question.
What do we got?
How can I attract investors for PR? And then we got 2 more going down.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's a great question. How do you attract investors for PR? You do this, you go and find a great deal, and then you let the world know that you've got it. If you tell people that you're in Puerto Rico, that's of great value. Listen, as far as I'm concerned, it's a no-brainer. Like I have a business in Florida, I have a business in Puerto Rico. And the likelihood that I can find something in Florida that even comes fractionally close to as good of investment as we can find in Puerto Rico is really slim to none. And our sort of best case that we can expect if we buy something to flip in Florida is that you might make 20%, or if you really do well, you make 30% on your investment. And here in Puerto Rico, if you're buying a single family house to flip, you can expect to make 30 to 40% as your floor, and then do better than that in most cases. So I think letting people know that you're here and that you're going to be looking at real estate, obviously, if you have something under contract and you start to tell people about it, that's very attractive. But the first step, and what I did was I just started telling everyone, hey, I'm going to Puerto Rico and I'm going to buy some real estate. And I knew when I came that I had some people that would follow me, but I also had some people that had been doing business with me for years that were like, well, we're going to wait and see. And so we just started doing deals, and every time we did something, we got to report back to those people that, hey, we were successful here. Hey, we just did this and it was a great success. And eventually everyone who we were in business with in Florida followed us and came and did business with us here in Puerto Rico. And then along the way, we've met a whole bunch of other people. That's sort of part of our reason that we do the YouTube channel and this other social media stuff, is that we're always looking for partners. We're looking for people who have deals. We're looking for people who have money. We're looking for people who want to run a small guest house hotel or can manage a construction site. I mean, all kinds of different partnerships that we've done over the years while we're here in Puerto Rico. And we use these partnerships to expand our business and to be able to do more. We're really a small business. It's my wife and I and my business partner, Dave, and his wife, Carol, and a couple of key employees. So a very, very small business, less than 10 total full-time employees. And that's, you know, Adon, Linda, Robbie, Dave. I mean, that's our team, right? Adon, we're just, we do quite a bit. We think we do quite a bit. And we've got a really good track record of success over the last 5 years. And the way that we've been able to do as much as we do is because we expand through partnerships. So it's been very effective for us to just kind of tell people we're in Puerto Rico. And this is a great time to be buying real estate in Puerto Rico. So you are going to get the pushback, right? Like people, when we first came here, had no idea about the island of Puerto Rico, if it was part of the United States, if it was part of, they didn't know where it was. They couldn't find it on a map, right? So you have some of that, but it's gotten better over the years. And certainly after COVID, a lot of people have discovered that Puerto Rico is a part of the United States, that you can travel here with a driver's license. You don't need a passport. And so, hey guys, thanks for watching that. Subscribe to our channel, watch this next, and then also check out the pinned content for more great content, guys. God bless.